One of the most common questions I get from new clients is how much should I exercise in a week? What I always suggest to people, instead of looking at how much you should exercise, look at how much do you want to exercise. Look at your current lifestyle, all your responsibilities, how much time you have, and figure out what is a realistic amount you would like to exercise. Once you have that number, I'd suggest decreasing it to about 25% of whatever that number is, give or take, and start with that. So for example, let's say you look at your lifestyle and you figure, I want to get 4 30-minute workouts in a week. You could start by just trying to get 2 15-minute workouts in. And again, this isn't an exact number. The point is to decrease it dramatically over what you're thinking. Start with that, get into the regular routine and rhythm of doing that. And then in time, as that becomes a little bit easier, it becomes a little bit more of a ritual. You can start to increase that and build that out. Start much smaller and build from there.